Hello everyone, today we will do 1 to 20 and other activities. Here I am having some activities like first of all make your child recall all the numbers 1 to 20. After that we can give them after and before and between as well. So first let's see the video for 1 to 20.
Hi kids, let's all count from 1 to 20. We'll count from 1 to 20 3 times, and each time we'll count faster.
Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great job, kids! Let's count again faster.
Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Outstanding! Let's count again even faster.
Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Now here I am having some activities. What comes after? Here I have given one number line so that children, if they are having any confusion, they can read this number line again and again and they can do this activity easily. Here you can ask them what comes after 0. They will say 0, 1. So they will write down 1 here. What comes after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They will write down 6 here. What comes after 9? And if they are having any confusions, they are not able to say, you may make them read it from your 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here. Same like that in before also. Again I have given the number line so that they can do it easily. This is for temporary basis, just for practice. Now next one is make them write down 1 to 20. Once, twice, thrice. Okay. Now next one is write what comes between. Here again I have given this thing over here so that if they are having any problem or confusion, they can recall it from here and they can write it down here. So next one is 2 and 4. What comes between 2 and 4? Make the concept clear here. What comes in between 2 and 4? They will say 3. So make them write down 3 here. 2, 3, 4. Now next 7 and 9. What comes between 7 and 9? Again they can see here that what comes between 7 and 9? They will say 8. They can write down 8 here. Again same thing here also. Now next activity is write the missing numbers. Like before we will do all the afters and befores and between along with 1 to 20 properly so that they can do this activity nicely. Write the missing numbers. Now tell them to say all the numbers loudly. They will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay. Now next one is fill in the blanks, or you can say complete the line. So 1, they will say 2. And then what comes after 2? 3. Then again 4, 5, 6, 7. So they will complete the line like this here. Now next one is 5. They will do the same thing here also. You will say what comes after 5? They will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. Now here next activity is match the object with the number. Now you will say what is this? They will say kite. Now you ask your children how many kites are here? They will say there is only one kite. So they will ask your child that can you see number 1 here? Can you see? They will say yes, I can see number 1 here. So you make them match one kite to number 1. Next one. Ask your child what is this? They will say cup. Then you may ask how many cups are here? They will say 1, 2. Again ask them that can you find out number 2 here? They will say yes. Where it is? Here it is. Now same with the rest of them also. Here I have shared one video. Show to your child and it will the concept of after, between and before will be cleared. Thank you.
After and in between. Here are 3 vegetables, a brinjal, cabbage and potato. We can see that the brinjal is placed before the cabbage and the potato is placed after the cabbage. Thus, the cabbage is placed between the brinjal and the potato. Let us rearrange the position of the vegetables. Now, the cabbage is placed before the brinjal. The potato is placed after the brinjal. And the brinjal is placed in between the cabbage and the potato.